Is this set of privacy screen protectors going to be worth it for the S26 Ultra? Let's find out. As far as everything included, you've got the installation tray here to help you install the screen protector. You've got 2 of them right here already ready to go. All you have to do is just install it right in that installation tray. Installation package, which comes with all your cleaning supplies to wipe off your phone. And then of course you have the bubble removal tool in case you do have any air bubbles. Now we're gonna actually install a screen protector. It's a really easy process. First, obviously, just make sure you clean your phone off with that cleaning kit. Other than that, really simple. All you're gonna wanna do is place your phone screen side up. It'll have a nice snug fit in there. And then you're gonna take your screen protector. You're gonna line this top piece up with this hole at the top. So you can see there's a hole right there. Align that up and then put that screen protector right in. Push that down. Now it's nice and lined up there. And then on these both sides at the bottom, you're going to line it up with these little holes. So just make sure you have those lined up as well. Now it's really simple. All you do is just pull from the bottom on this pull tab. And you're just going to want to slide this down so that it gets a nice fit on the phone. And then slide it back the other way. Afterwards, just lift up on that protective film. And there you have it. Screen protector is nicely installed. Perfect fit, no air bubbles, really easy installation. But what's great about this one, they have a matte finish, so it's not gonna be like all really glossy, there's not gonna be any glare, but you still have that privacy aspect to it. But overall, if you are looking for a privacy screen protector set, would definitely go with this one. It does come with 2 of them as well, which is nice, so you have a backup just in case. And then like I said, gonna be better to use in the sun since it is a matte finish, so it's not gonna be all glary or glossy in your eyes when you're actually staring at your phone. Made to protect it as well, obviously, and then of course, really easy installation and it lined up perfectly. There's the camera at the top and everything, so yeah, great set of screen protectors for the S26 Ultra, especially if you're looking for the privacy aspect of them.